It was in 1975, Chimer was founded. And for India, Chimer gives a lot of products which can help the metal cutting industry, especially the tool makers, where their wire cut EDM is very, very popular. At TIMTOS 2025, they are having many innovations, but what I'm able to see is here they are talking more about automation, which is also very important for us, because if we take the tool makers, they need to give the molds faster, and these kind of automation can definitely help them achieve their goals.
Now we are 50 years old. We start with the die sinker EDM. Now we focus on the EDM manufacturer. So we have a die sinker, wire cutter, drill, and now we have a new the machine launched to the market. We have laser cutting, laser welding. At this moment, the CHMER focus on the non-traditional solution provider in the world. High-end premium the drill. M is the brand drill with the robot become the real automation. The robot can pick the part, then to load, drill, and turn, then drill again, then unload. So he really enhanced all the productivity, and it will really help the customer to have low cost but high efficient cost solution.
CHMER has launched this compact wire cut machine in TIMTOS UA432L. This machine is an integrated tank with the integrated, the power supply unit. This machine is an high accurate machine, and they have developed this machine with a very compact nature, and this will be very high accuracy machine, which is very suitable for Indian market, especially for automotive and the die and mold segment. This machine actually they are planning in a big way, which can compete with any of the Japanese machines.
The new NV series wire cut, and this is with high rigid construction, and precision could reach to plus minus 3 micron mm for whole travel, and also this is building in the linear motor, and this is in-house made technology, and also our innovated new computer technology with Linux. This things is very new, all combined in this one machines. So this is our spotlight in this show.
India right now become the first largest population in the world, so there's a lot of demand in India. So that's why we so care about the India, but also there are a lot of automobile industry in India and so many electronic manufacturer. So we will see there's a booming in the market in India. So that's why we put more investment and resource in India. And Manav is our the best one and receive the distributor or the agent in India. So he know how to promote and how to make CHMER better sales in India.
We have been associated with CHMER for quite some time now. And it is in 6 years of time we have crossed to over 100 machines which we have supplied and supporting in India. The advantage with CHMER is a very rugged and a very reliable equipment, and which is available at a very affordable price. Another point is with regards to the support from CHMER. We get excellent support from CHMER in terms of service or application, and we also stock spares for older machines in India. We are looking at expanding the CHMER footprint in India, and it has been a great journey with CHMER, and we look forward to growing our relations with CHMER on a long term. Having this kind of a support from the manufacturer, and we also have trained wire cut personnel. This really benefits the customers on a long run. They're able to get solutions quickly. They're able to get service within, say, 24 hours. So all these are advantages that comes having a long-standing brand with a long association in India.